Students, today I am going to solve some questions that is based upon laws of exponent. The previous video was laws of exponent. Some formula I have told how to split the numbers with the help of that formula. And today I am going to take some difficult questions, some very important extra questions based upon that laws of exponent. And one question written here: 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 power n divided by 16 into 2 power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 power n plus 2. We have to prove that this is equal to 1 upon 2. This is very common question. In most of the reference books, this question is given. But see the step how to solve this question, this important question. And before starting the solution of this question, this is my deep request that please subscribe this channel if you have not done, and also press on the bell icon for the upcoming updates. Now come on, the solution steps for this question. See, LHS is first solve LHS and solve the LHS, and that will be equal to RHS 1 upon 2. See here 16, 2, 4, 2, 16, 2 and 2 and 2. दिस बेसिस अगर हम पावर छोड़ दें तो जो नंबर्स हैं 16 है, 2 है, 4, 2, 16, 2 and 2 all can be converted in the least number 2 to the power. So in place of 16 you write 2 power 4 into 2 power n plus 1. जो पहले से ही 2 हैं उसको छोड़ दीजिए, बाकी के नंबर्स को आप 2 के पावर में चेंज कर लीजिए. माइनस दिस 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 to the power 2 and into this will be same 2 to the power n divided by 16, that is 2 power 4 into this is 2 power n plus 2 in the bracket minus this is 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. So all the numbers bases are changed in the power of 2. That is equal to, now see, this is equal to 2 to the power, numerator you see, numerator is 2 to the power 4 plus n plus 1. What was the rule of the exponent? In case of the multiplication, powers are added. So powers are added, bases are same, 2 and 2 is same, so powers may be added. So 4 plus n plus 1, that is equal to n plus 4 plus 1, 5 minus 2 to the power 2 plus n means n plus 2, powers are added in case of the multiplication. This is also 2 to the power 4 plus n plus 2 means n plus 6 minus 2 to the power 1, यहाँ पे 1 है, 1 plus n plus 2, that is equal to n plus 3. Now I think this step is clear. That is equal to, now next step is 2 to the power n plus 5 and 2 to the power n plus 2. See what is the least power? Least power is n plus 2, n plus 5 is greater, so least power is n plus 2. You take common 2 power n plus 2 common. So this can be written as 2 power n plus 5 upon 2 power n plus 2. It means what? And यहाँ पे 2 power n plus 2 था, ये कॉमन हो गया, तो रिमेनिंग 1. और दिस इज डिवाइडेड. जब कभी भी कुछ चीज़ आप कॉमन लेते हैं, कॉमन मीन्स डिवीजन. सो कॉमन आपने कॉमन लिया तो ये 2 का पावर n प्लस 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 का पावर n प्लस 1, और यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो गया तो कैंसिल होकर वो 1 हो गया. वेन एवर यू टेक एनीथिंग कॉमन मीन्स डिवाइड. हियर सी डिनोमिनेटर 2 पावर n प्लस 6 and 2 power n plus 3. What is the least power? Least power is 2 power n plus 3. So 2 power n plus 3 common. Then you can write 2 power n plus 6 and divided by 2 to the power n plus 3. Once more here minus, that is equal to now 2 power n plus 2 divided multiplied by 2 power. In case of the division powers are subtracted, तो जो आप लिखेंगे n plus 5 minus n minus 2, तो n कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So n and n cancel. 5 minus 2, that is 3 minus 1. I think this step is clear. Divide करेंगे. Division means subtraction. Case of the division, powers are subtracted. Powers are subtracted means n plus 5 minus n minus 2. तो n और n cancel होगा. 5 minus 2 3 and minus 1. Here this is 2 power n plus 3. So here 2 power n plus 2, 2 power n plus 2, आप डिवाइड करेंगे इसको. 2 का पावर n plus 5 अपॉन 2 पावर n plus 2. So n cancel. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So 2 power 3 minus 1. In the same way here, this is 2 to the power. In case of division, powers are subtracted. N plus 6 minus n minus 3. N और n cancel. 6 minus 3 minus 1. Then that is equal to, see here, is equal to 2 power 3 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7. This is 2 power 3 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7. Both the brackets are same, so both are cancelled. We have here 2 का power n plus 2 and divided by 2 the power n plus 3. In case of the division, powers are subtracted once more. So 2 to the power n plus 2 minus n minus 3. This is equal to n and n is cancelled. 2 minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power minus 1, and this is equal to 1 upon 2, and that is equal to RHS. So this was an important question of this laws of based upon the laws of exponent. Laws of exponent पे बेस बहुत important question था. Question was not so difficult, but this is important, and most of the reference book this question is already given. So this was the first question. Now see the second question. So see the one more question that I will write here. Second question is see second question. A very simple question लेंगे second question के लिए. So first question was some difficult, but second question है थोड़ा सा simple सा question लेंगे. Then third question once more, that will be one of the difficult question. See the second question is prove that. This question is not so difficult, but the third one will be some important and difficult also. See the prove that x to the power a b minus c divided by x to the power b a minus c divided by x power b upon x power a whole power c. This, and we have to prove that this is equal to 1. Now see what is the solution of this question. Question is not so difficult, but wait for the third one. Third one I will take some important question. See, तो ये था. Once more you see the LHS, solve the LHS, and that will be equal to RHS. So this can be written as x to the power AB minus AC, open the bracket, divided by x to the power AB, BA या AB दोनों एक है, AB minus BC, here divided by, in case of the power का power multiply हो जाएगा तो x का power BC and divided by x to the power AC is equal to, in case of the division powers are subtracted, so on the whole this can be written as x का power AB minus AC, AB minus AC, minus AB minus AB, so this one and minus this, तो जब माइनस करेंगे so ये माइनस AB होगा, इसका साइन चेंज होगा, that will be plus BC divided by x to the power BC minus AC, this one, is equal to, here what is cancelled, AB and AB cancelled, x to the power BC प्लस में इसको पहले लिखेंगे BC माइनस AC डिवाइडेड बाई x to the power the same thing BC माइनस AC। डायरेक्ट आप लिख सकते हैं इज इक्वल टू 1, और डायरेक्ट ना लिखना चाहें तो इनके इन फॉर्म ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर राइट x to the power BC माइनस AC डिवाइडेड बाई x to the power BC minus AC, and everything is cancelled, that is equal to 1. So this one was the second question. Question was some simple question, not so difficult. But see the third question, some difficult questions I will take. The third one, see the third question. See the third question is, if, very important in most of the questions, most of the reference book, this question is also given. If 9 to the power, R.D. शर्मा या और भी बहुत सारे बुक्स में गिवन है ये, 9 पावर n इंटू 3 पावर 2 इंटू 3 to the power माइनस n अपॉन 2 होल पावर माइनस 2 माइनस 27 होल पावर n डिवाइडेड बाई 3 पावर 3 to the power 3m इंटू 2 पावर 3 is equal to 1 upon 27. Then prove that m minus n is equal to 1. So to prove that m minus n is equal to 1, this is the very important question. See the steps for this question. Here also 9, 3, 3, 27, 3, all these things can be changed in the power of 3. So जो पावर ऑफ 3 में चेंज हो सकता है उसको पावर ऑफ 3 में चेंज करेंगे, एंड 2 को वैसे छोड़ देंगे इक्वल टू 27, या 27 भी पावर ऑफ 3 में चेंज कर सकते हैं. सी द LHS एंड सी द सोल्यूशन. हियर LHS विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू RHS. LHS और RHS हम दोनों ही साथ लेके चलेंगे. सी सो 9 पावर n, इस 9 के प्लेस पे आप लिख सकते हैं 3 का पावर 2, सो दैट इज 3 का पावर 2n, 3 पावर 2n, 3 स्क्वायर और फिर 2n इंटू 3 स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3 to the power. See here this 2 and this 2 is cancelled, और माइनस एंड माइनस प्लस, तो होगा 3 का पावर n. This minus and minus plus and 2 is cancelled, 3 power n minus this can be written as 27. This 27 can be written as 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 और फिर power n, so that will be equal to 3 का power 3n divided by this denominator will be same, 3 to the power 3m into 2 power 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 power 3. This one. Now see in case once more, in case of multiplication, इक्वल साइन आप नहीं लगाएंगे, ये सिंबल आप लगाएंगे. एक ही लाइन में दो बार इक्वल साइन नहीं लगता है, मीन्स यहाँ भी इक्वल साइन फिर यहाँ भी इक्वल साइन. दिस इज साइन फॉर implies that. This sign is known as implies that. This is symbol for implies that. So in case of the multiplications, powers are added. So this can be written as 3 to the power, how many n is here? 2n plus n, 3n plus 2 minus this is 3 power 3n divided by 3 power 3m minus 2 power 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 3. Now once more you take common. अब इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चन पे हमने कॉमन लिया था, तो लीस्ट पावर इसमें कॉमन पॉसिबल है, सो 3 का पावर 3n कॉमन इन द रिमेनिंग ब्रैकेट व्हाट विल बी दैट 3 ये था, 3 का पावर 3n प्लस 2, 3 का पावर 3n प्लस 2 और 3 का पावर 3n इज कॉमन, तो बचा कितना 3 का पावर 2 और यहाँ पे -1। ये इसमें कोई कन्फ्यूजन नहीं है, इसको चाहे तो दो पार्ट में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, 3 का पावर 3n इंटू 3 का पावर 2, उसके बाद कॉमन लीजिए, या यहाँ भी कॉमन लेंगे, दैट इज आल्सो करेक्ट। वंस मोर आई विल टेल, दिस इज 3 पावर 3n प्लस 2 और माइनस 3 पावर 3n, और 3 का पावर 3n कॉमन हो गया, ये इतना कॉमन हो गया, तो 3 का पावर 2 बचा इन द ब्रैकेट, डिवाइडेड बाई ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, दिस इज साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन, डिवाइडेड बाई 3 पावर 3m and into 8 is equal to 1 upon 3 power 3 into 1 upon 3 power 3. Now see here, 3 power 2 minus 1 means 3 square minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8 and this is also 8. So this can be cancelled, directly you can cancel. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 1 means 8 और ये भी 8 था तो ये cancel. Now what is left? See here, this is 3 power 3n divided by 3 power 3m is equal to 3 का पावर, ये है 3 का पावर 3, ये है 3 का पावर 3, और जो न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो 3 टू द पावर -3, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 का पावर 3n माइनस 3m is equal to 3 का पावर -3. Now bases are same, these 3 and this is same, so exponent will be same. This implies that 3n minus 3m is equal to -3. 3 से डिवाइड कर लिए, then you will get n minus m is equal to -1. You change the sign, so m minus n is equal to 1. So this is the proof for this question, that how this m minus n is equal to 1 is coming. So this was the third question. Now see question number 4. Some more question. Question number 4. See the fourth question. Fourth is also very important. Prove that, important question for this chapter. Prove that a to the power -1 divided by a power -1 plus b power -1 and plus a power -1 divided by a power -1 minus b power -1 is equal to 2b square divided by b square minus a square. The same laws of exponents are rules of apply करिए and then you can prove this question. So see here LHS, you solve the LHS and that will be is equal to RHS. A power -1 can be written as 1 upon a divided by 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon a divided by 1 upon a minus 1 upon b is equal to, this is 1 upon a. This question is not so difficult. Here AB is LCM. AB is LCM, then first term A is cancelled, this will be B, and plus the second term B cancelled, then remaining A. The same thing here, this is 1 upon A divided by here AB LCM, then you can write A or A cancel, B minus B or B cancel, then remaining A. This is equal to now 1 upon A into multiplication. In case of the multiplication, the denominator will be reciprocal. साइन ऑफ डिवीजन विल बी चेंज इन साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. दैट विल बी ए बी अपॉन बी प्लस ए. हियर आल्सो द सेम थिंग, 1 अपॉन ए इंटू ए बी अपॉन बी माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू नाउ see this a and a is cancelled. Then we can write b upon b plus a and plus here also this b and b cancel. Then b upon b minus a is equal to, now see the next step, what will be LCM? LCM will be b plus a into b minus a will be LCM. So here b into numerator will be b into b minus a and plus b into b plus a, b into b minus a and b into b plus a. Now see this is equal to, denominator will be same, b plus a into b minus a, this one. Then here open the bracket, b square minus ab or plus b square plus ba या plus ab, minus ab and plus ab is cancelled. You have here 2b square upon, here the formula a plus b a minus b का formula b square minus a square, b plus a b minus a, that will be b square minus a square, and that is equal to RHS. So this was fourth question. Question was not so difficult, but this is one of the important question of this exercise. See one more question, question number 5. See the fifth question, question number 5. That is also an important question of this chapter. Not so difficult, but the question is important, and that I have taken from any reference book. See here, question number 5 is, if a थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप का है, a पावर x इज इक्वल टू b पावर y इज इक्वल टू c पावर z and b square is equal to ac, then prove that y is equal to 2zx divided by z plus x. इस टाइप के एक दो और भी क्वेश्चन इधर उधर आपको मिल जाएंगे, but see the method how this type of the questions will be solved. See the solution. So see the solution of this question. The first line is given, first line, this can be written as, let a power x is equal to b power y is equal to c power z. Let us suppose that is equal to k. So see here, what will be value of a? This is a is equal to k to the power 1 upon x. a इज इक्वल टू k का पावर x, जब उधर जाएगा तो पावर होगा 1 अपॉन x. हियर ऑल्सो द सेम थिंग, b इज इक्वल टू k का पावर 1 अपॉन y, ये b की वैल्यू, एंड z एंड c इज इक्वल टू k टू द पावर 1 अपॉन z. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप, और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में ये यूज़ भी होगा. a इज इक्वल टू ये x है, और जब वो उस साइड में जाएगा तो k का पावर 1 अपॉन x हो जाएगा. नाउ सी वन मोर थिंग वाज गिवन दैट b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ac. नाउ यू पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज. b स्क्वायर, b की वैल्यू है k का पावर 1 अपॉन y, और उसका स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ये स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a, k to the power 1 upon x into c k का पावर 1 upon z. This can be written as k to the power 2 upon y is equal to k to the power, in case of the multiplication powers are added. So this is 1 upon x plus 1 upon z. Now numbers are same, so exponential should be same. Then 2 upon y is equal to 1 upon x or plus 1 upon z. This can be written as, here you see, this is 2 upon y is equal to LCM you take, xz will be LCM, then that will be z or plus x. Now do the reciprocal, y upon 2 is equal to, इसका भी reciprocal xz या zx upon और z और plus x. Then y equal to, ये 2 साइड में जाएगा तो जाएगा 2 xz लिखिए या zx लिखिए, दोनों एक ही चीज़ है, zx upon z plus x. And this is proof of this question, and this was question number 5. So one more questions I will take, a simple question. One more, not simple question but very important question it is. या 6 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 वो भी इसी प्रॉपर्टी पे बेस है, जिस प्रॉपर्टी पे क्वेश्चन अभी आपने सॉल्व किया है वो उसी प्रॉपर्टी पे बेस है. सो इफ दिस इज 2 पावर x इज इक्वल टू 3 पावर y इज इक्वल टू 6 पावर माइनस z, प्रूव दैट 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 upon y and plus 1 upon z is equal to 0. ये बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, बट अभी जो आपने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है उसी प्रॉपर्टी पे बेस्ड है. सी द सोल्यूशन. लेट सी द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. लेट 2 पावर x is equal to 3 पावर y is equal to 6 पावर माइनस z इज इक्वल टू k. सो इन द सेम पैटर्न जैसे अभी आपने क्वेश्चन में किया था, 2 इक्वल टू कितना होगा, 2 इज इक्वल टू होगा k टू द पावर 1 अपॉन x. 3 कितना होगा, 3 इज इक्वल टू होगा वो k का पावर 1 अपॉन y, और 6 होगा 6 इक्वल टू k टू द पावर माइनस 1 अपॉन z. ये माइनस था तो माइनस 1 अपॉन z. Now see 6 can be written as 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 6 equal to 3 into 2. या 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. अब 3 की वैल्यू k to the power 1 upon y into 2 की वैल्यू k to the power 1 upon x और is equal to 6 की वैल्यू k to the power minus 1 upon z. So this is k to the power, in case of the multiplications powers are added, 1 upon y plus 1 upon x. Here also k to the power minus 1 upon z. So if the numbers are same, the powers will be same. This can be written as 1 upon y plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1 upon z, or 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z, this is equal to 0. So here in this video I have taken 6 important questions for this chapter, the first chapter, and they are based upon the laws of exponents. So I hope all the concept or the calculation step is clear to you. Some more questions you will see that will be based upon the same thing in the next video. So wait for the next video. And once more I will request that if you have not subscribed, then first subscribe this channel and then revise the questions. All the best. Thank you.